This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the crust because a stable base keeps the cake from collapsing. Pulse 240 g graham crackers with 50 g sugar and 110 g melted butter until sandy, then press into a 9 springform to an even 1/2 thickness. Chill the crust for 15 minutes to set. Once set, preheat the oven to 325 degrees and wrap the outside base of the springform with foil now so you can use a water bath later without leaks. You want silky filling, so work methodically. Start with 900 g room temperature cream cheese and beat on low until completely smooth to avoid graininess. Next, add 200 g sugar and any citrus zest, then incorporate 3 eggs one at a time, mixing until each is just combined. This prevents excess air. Once eggs are in, fold 240 g sour cream and 1 tablespoon vanilla on low. Don't overbeat because too much air leads to cracks. Transfer the filling to the chilled crust and smooth the top. You'll finish by baking the cheesecake in a water bath to moderate temperature swings. Place the wrapped springform into a pan with hot water and bake 50 to 70 minutes until the edges are set and the center still has a slight wobble. Once baked, cool on the counter for about an hour to avoid thermal shock, then refrigerate for at least 8 hours or overnight to firm. If the surface cracks, don't panic. Use a thin layer of sour cream or a ganache to mask and add moisture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.